Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the user interface assembly in your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Open the door and use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread all 4 screws, securing the outer door panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the panel down to detach. Using a T-20 Torx bit, unthread the 6 screws securing the control panel assembly. Using the Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the control board cover. Pull back the retainers to release the cover tab and detach the wiring grommet. Pull the retaining tabs back to release the 2 user interface boards. Then disconnect the wire harness from the control board. Install the new user interface assembly by sliding the 2 boards into place in the control panel. Then connect the wire harness. Secure the wires under the retaining clips. Position the wiring grommet in the control board cover, then snap the cover into place. Thread the 2 mounting screws. Realign the control panel assembly and secure it with the screws. Reinstall the outer door panel by aligning it on the inner panel, then slide up. Thread the 4 mounting screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.